A lot of times after a hailstorm hits an area, the insurance company will come out and they might only extend coverage for half of your roof or a section of your roof. So today we're going to dive into when that might be appropriate and when it's not appropriate to do a partial roof replacement. A partial roof replacement is when you're just doing a section of the roof. Doing a partial roof replacement must have certain criteria in place because it can create a lot of problems down the road for a lot of homeowners. You have to tie in to the existing roofing system at some point. And the underlayment system underneath, let's say it's just a simple A-frame roof with two sides, just like this, and you just want to replace this side. The underlayment underneath has to go a certain distance over that ridge, and you only can do that by tearing off the shingles on the other side too. So even if it seems like, oh, I'm just going to do one slope, to code and to manufacturer's specs, you can never achieve that without getting into one of the other slopes, whether that's tying in at a ridge, tying in at a valley, tying in at a hip. You're gonna expose the roofing system at some point. And if that shingle system that you're tying into isn't new or like new, it's gonna be almost impossible to do so. Shingles age over time, they change color. A roof that's 5 years old is not gonna look the same as a brand new roof. Even though to the naked eye it would, once you put those new shingles on, you're gonna see a tone difference or a shade difference in those shingles. Doing a partial roof replacement might seem to make more economical sense right then and there, but long term, a lot of times it's not. You're probably going to lose your manufacturer's warranty or your workmanship warranty on the other half of the roofing system because it's a true system and you're losing the system. You install the underlayment first, you install the ice and water shield first, then you put the shingles on. You don't roof one side of the house and then roof the other when you're doing a new roof installation. And it's almost impossible to do that correctly by doing a partial roof replacement. Roofing warranties are written for whole systems. Your roof is a system of many components: underlayment, ice and water shield, flashings, etc. And so doing one slope almost always will void the warranty for the whole roofing system because the system is installed in a certain way and timing way to make sure that it fits together as a system to prevent any leaks. So by replacing one slope, 9 times out of 10 or more, you're going to void your manufacturer's warranty. When deciding whether to do a full roof replacement or a partial roof replacement, you have to have somebody come out and inspect your roof. A detailed inspection of the roofing system to see if it's even possible. We typically strongly recommend not doing partial roof replacements for the reasons we discussed. But there are certain scenarios where it might just work. At Rhoden Roofing, we evaluate the entire roof, the insurance paperwork, all the conditions of the existing roofing system to make sure that we're giving you our best opinion as a trusted source so that you make a good decision for you, for your home, and for your family. If you have any questions about whether or not to do a partial or a complete roof replacement, please don't hesitate to call Rhoden Roofing today.